Hey, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we're going to take a look here at some shipping stocks. We'll look at the marine transportation sector and take a look here real quick at what the sector is looking like right now. KEX is the sector leader, and as you can see here, going on let's see, that was the second week of February. There was a close above the 50-day moving average, and the candles continued running higher, hitting the 100-day moving average at 57.88 on Friday. So that is the key level to break. A close above the 100-day moving average will put the 200-day moving average on deck. So as you can see, your best of breed has broken the 50-day moving average and is now testing the 100-day moving average. You can see a huge bounce off the bottom down here. Okay, let's look at another strong shipping stock. This is MATX, and MATX broke the 50-day moving average last week and is once again trying to break that level. You can see there's a break above the 50-day moving average here, and then now you've got another break right here, intraday on Friday. The 50-day moving average broke intraday, but then there wasn't a close above that level. So what we're looking for is a close above the 50-day moving average to put the 200 and 100-day moving average on deck. Candles start forming above the 100-day moving average, it could really get going. Once again, you can see there's this bottom here in January, and then the candles are trying to work higher. Okay, let's look at the next chart. This is CMRE. This is another solid shipping company, and here you go with the middle Bollinger Band turning into support. So you've got the break above the middle Bollinger Band here in January. The candles pulled back, and then now CMRE is in the process of turning the middle Bollinger Band into support and starting a new uptrend. Okay, now we'll start looking at some of the laggards, some of the stocks that aren't, worst of breed, we'll say. And this is DRYS here. DRYS is currently, back here in January, broke the middle Bollinger Band, and then is currently trying to turn the EMAs 4 and 8 into support down here. And so we're looking for a break above EMA 8 to put the middle Bollinger Band on deck. There was a close above the middle Bollinger Band on the 16th, so we're looking for that level to turn into support to start a new uptrend. Okay, let's look at EGLE, EGL, bulk shipping. And so this is another turning EMA 4 and 8 into support situation. And so you've got the middle Bollinger Band broke intraday on Friday, and that's currently at 73. So now we're looking for a close above the middle Bollinger Band to signal the start of a new uptrend. Once again, you can see EGLE bottom down here in February, and then now is making a nice bounce back. So let's look at SBLK, Star Bulk Carriers. This was an interesting move last week. On Monday, there was a close above the 50-day moving average on the 22nd. So you can see the close above the 50-day moving average, and the candles have been heading higher. So that's a very strong move. So if you go back to the first chart, to the KEX chart, what happened? The 50-day moving average broke, and candles ran to the 200 or the 100-day moving average. So that's what we're looking at here. We've got the 100-day moving average at 99 on deck if the 50-day moving average turns into support. Now let's look at DSX, Diana Shipping, and so this is similar to the DRYS and EGLE chart here, where DSX is trying to turn this middle Bollinger Band into support. You can see there's the first close here in February, and then you've got another close on the 22nd, followed by a close on Friday above the middle Bollinger Band. So what's going on is the middle Bollinger Band's turning into support. Once it holds and candles start forming above that level, that's going to signal the start of a new uptrend. Now let's look at salt. Salt over here made similar to the other charts here. You've got this bottom down here in February with a middle Bollinger Band resistance break intraday on Friday. As you can see, the upper wick broke the middle Bollinger Band at 240, and so we're looking for a close above the middle Bollinger Band to signal the start of a new uptrend. As you can see here, EMAs are simple moving average 7 and 10 are both pinched. Giant volume spike on Friday. Okay, now let's look at the next chart. This will be the last shipping chart here, and this is the worst of breed. You've got free here and free fall. So I mean, if you go back and you look at the very first chart, KEX, and you see how strong that was with the move above the 50-day moving average and then running to the 100-day moving average, that is the best of breed. And now the complete opposite of that is the worst of breed, and that would be free here. And free, as you can see, is the only stock that has not broken EMA 8, EMAs 4 and 8. Besides, DRYS is working on that as well. So this is, DRYS and free are worst of breed in this sector. And so what we're looking for is a close above EMA 4. Last close above EMA 4 was right here, but EMA 8 failed to break. So first you need a close above EMA 4, then a close above EMA 8, and that would put the middle Bollinger Band on deck. As you can see, the EMA 8 resistance has not been broken in many months. So the downtrend will continue unless that breaks. The one positive here is you've got this monster volume. So there's major shares being dumped. We're going to see if they can get a close and a possible bounce. All right, so this is the shipping sector going from best of breed to worst of breed. As you can see, there's some bullish movement going on in the sector, and we're really looking at possible more upside for some of these stocks that are lagging behind KEX, because as you can see, KEX here has already overtaken the 50. If you see a close above the 100-day moving average on KEX, it's going to be another signal that the shipping sector is building strength. And then the key is to watch the laggards, the worst of breed, for them to follow suit of the best of breed players in the sector. Okay, thanks for viewing this chart. This is mychartcoach.com, and you can check us out at our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.